Hey, what's up, you bitches and sluts and whores? It's Dandy.
And Hanson.
Back with another video. And guys, we're continuing our Madonna journey, bitch. We're getting our education. We're doing reaction videos to Madonna. And we got a requested video from Legendary Realness saying, you guys need to react to erotica and human nature videos next. And we've already done erotica. It simulated us in places we didn't know we could be simulated.
Oh, bitch. These nipples were hard.
And now we're gonna start Human Nature. I don't think I've heard the song because, bitch, I was wrong last time. I knew a little bit of the song.
I feel like I've heard it and I feel like I've seen the video, but I won't know until I see it.
I don't feel like I've heard it and I don't feel like I've seen the video. And what we're gonna do is at the end of the video, we're gonna guess what year we think the song came out. I think that'd be fun. Yeah. Okay, bitch, before we get into this reaction, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed because that would mean a lot to us. And, you know, I gotta let my earring do a little dance for y'all. Bitch, let's bust it right up. Okay, someone's got fear in their head.
I like the look.
Express yourself, don't express yourself. Madonna! Okay, this is giving me early 2000s.
Okay, I've heard this song. I don't remember the video though.
I haven't heard this. That lace fucking eye patch, what the hell is that called? Mask? Oh!
That bitch don't
Shit on me?
don't hang your shit on me?
This sounds like a different.
This is very R&B-ish, like.
I love these outfits.
She's quite the evolving queen, huh? Like,
man. Oh. Yes. Oh. You can't, sis. We heard it. Wow, this is very different from what I've heard, Madonna. I've never heard this.
okay, bitch. I see that ring light in your outfit. It's like a ring light in my glasses, you can see it.
Oh, I like that dance move they did on the floor there.
Oh, man.
Did she get an album that sounded like this? But it's just like one song?
No.
Oh, yes. Oh, sticking to her brand. We love.
Those ropes are not as tight as they should be, though.
Oh. The boys are as tight as they need to be, though. Oh my god, I love how they're licking her leather, licking her fingers.
Oh, bitch.
Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh, I've never seen a swing for your arms.
He doesn't know anything about sex, you guys.
Oh my gosh, choreography all in sync and they can't see each other. Oh, wow.
That's pretty good.
I love the choreography. She had a condom on her head, drowning her. What the fuck? That was a sweet through the...
Oh, the baby.
The dog is into S&M?
Yes. His name is S&M. Spank that dog.
Spank that bitch. Wow, I like dark Madonna. Okay. Looking like Lady Gaga on that outfit.
Gaga was looking like her.
My bad, my bad. How does she always have a stunning ass body? Like, did she come out of her mom's vagina with a stunning body? Okay, ropes.
This is such a cool video.
Oh, people probably like saying stuff because there was a star in the middle. Like
she's a cool devil worshiper. Something about shitting on me. It's an S&M song, so maybe it's. I like it when you shit on me.
What?
Would it sound better if I was a man? Okay,
She
Taylor
did not
Swift,
say
the
that. She
man.
said that.
Yeah.
Bitch, I fucking love this whore. What do you what?
Just deal with it.
I love her little whisper moments. Oh, take that shirt off.
This, I had no idea.
They're all in one box now.
Absolutely no regrets.
Oh, I got chills. Wow.
Alright, honey. She had no regrets on that.
Wow.
Absolutely none. That was such a good song, and it was such a good video.
What year do you think it was the song
I
came out?
would say probably 2003.
I'm gonna say 2002.
Okay, let's find out. Oh my god. Human Nature was released June 6, 1995. Bitch, I didn't expect that.
Okay, I kind of did, but then you said it in the 2000s, so I was like, I have to say
You're
the 2000s.
the one that said this is giving me early 2000s.
But because
Right.
I was.
So the lyrics. I'm not sorry, it's human nature. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
She did say shit.
I thought it was something else, but
No, you said something about putting your shit on me.
oh yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
I thought she was saying though like
Shit in my mouth.
like
daddy.
shit on me daddy because I like that shit. Something like that. That's what I thought, but she said I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.
Oh.
That was cool. I want to see what she said on the whisper part.
Oh yeah. Whisper it in my mouth, little mama. I meant to say.
Oh, she said when she whispers, she says, "I'm not apologizing. Would it sound better if I were a man?
Oof.
You're the one with the problem.
Ooh.
Why don't you just deal with it?
Yeah. Deal with it.
Would you like me better if I was?
Yes, because I'm gay, but.
We all feel the same
Could you
way.
pop off, queen?
I have no regrets. Just look in the mirror. Pretty cool.
Wow.
The lyrics are pretty cool. This is a very like fuck you guys. I'm gonna do what I want. If I want to sing about sex, well, bitch, I'm gonna sing about motherfucking sex.
Period.
That's on period.
Guys, I want to know what your thoughts are. Where were you when you first saw that video? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let us bitch know in a comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and let us know what Madonna video you want us to react to next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just remember, stay dandy. Bye.
Pumpkin spice diet coke, try to see. Be a basic bitch like me. Pumpkin spice diet coke, try to see.